Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video, I'll show you how to check temperature for your CPU and what to do when you get the high temperature issue for your CPU. So let's see how to check it first. So right click on your start button and then click on task manager, and now click on performance, and here it's showing the CPU from the morning. I am facing the high temperature CV issue. As you can see here, my temperature goes up to 100% and my PC frequently restarting and getting the blue screen error. So I tried many methods to fill this problem, but finally I went to a service center first. They cleaned my CPU by air blower, and then the most important thing is they applied the thermal paste on the heat skin. Okay, thermal paste is most insured, so after they applied the thermal paste and fit my PC, now my CPU temperature goes down. As you can see here, my CPU temperature is normal and I'm not facing any restart or blue screen error. So the thing is, when you face high temperature issue, remove the side cover of your cabinet. Try to clean your CPU gently. Clean your CPU by air blower and remove the all background running apps and application, and try it first. If this is not fixed, then go to service center. They will fix your issue. So thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.